Okay. So the last part there is you should change instead of and. You can use finally. So finally joining hands to protect this environment is protecting our children in the future. But it will be stronger if you use the adverb definitely, right? Like definitely protecting our children in the future or our children's future. Okay?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so try to review it again, especially the one that you revised already. You have a very good composition today. So I'm going to see you on Tuesday. Okay, and I have already sent to you the picture of our topic on Tuesday. We will tackle more about this one because we're going to have it case by case. Okay, clear? Okay,
Yes.
say goodbye to Popti.
Okay.
Popti. Bye bye. See ya. I think your COVID 24 transferred to me. Oh my God.
I don't know. Good luck to you.
Oh, good luck to you. To have a great day and have a good weekend playing pickleball. Okay. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Popti. Bye bye.